my god, that's just like 20 feet
My
tall.
mother used to put poop in a jug. Actually, by the time you put it in there, it's actually a dirty water jug is what that is.
What?
So,
What?
It gets worse. Dirty water jugs are about.
I want to say that the reason that Shanna did get rid of all those bottles is because she's lazy. I hope it's not sentimental to her.
That's what you come up with? She's lazy?
This house has a septic issue. It's supposed to be drained once every 4 years. And there's still some space in the toilet, but I don't want it to overflow. So
I don't fucking blame you.
What?
Oh,
no, Trevor, you have to watch it. You have to watch it.
She doesn't get out of there.
Oh
I'm so
no.
worried about her health.
Oh,
When the bucket is full of pee and poop, it's really hard to lift it.
He's gonna lose it.
So I just put it in a smaller bucket.
What is this bitch doing?
I feel sick about all this. I'm generally an optimistic person, but I just can't see the finish line.
Oh my god, this bitch is nasty.
Shanna is not alright in that house.
I throw it on the grass, right out here in the front.
She stays out